That's where she finds herself. The goddess on the inside. The one uncircummed by insecurity and fear. She roams free and intuitively, discovering her power, presence, and purpose, and meeting her allies deep within the woods. It was her all along, summoning me to the forest each day to listen, pray, and play. The forest is home to my primal creative consciousness. She walks with bear, deer, moose, bobcat, dragons, fairies, and toads. I've been afraid of myself. I've been denying and rejecting my own calling. Why is it when we have nothing to lose, we finally listen, but we wait for things to get desperate and out of alignment? My soul is delivering me to the forest to meet myself. What will it take for me to listen?